Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a percentage bar in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this? Select below cells. Go to Format tab, Number. Select percent. Okay, then select. Go to Insert tab, Chart, and chart type. Select bar chart. Okay. Then customize series. Click series. Drop down menu. Select data labels. Again number format, click the drop down menu, click drop down menu, select percent, and now we can see this add percentage. Since percentage color, and customize again, change text style, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.